41% of institutional investors have missed a trade because of incorrect or missing earnings dates. TMX Wall Street Horizon, now available through Massive's API, solves this problem. Wall Street Horizon recently released their Q4 2025 earnings preview, so we thought that this would be the perfect time to showcase this partnership. For years, getting clean institutional-grade corporate events data has been a massive headache. No pun intended. You needed to cross-reference multiple feeds just to build a reliable calendar like this one. With Massive's corporate events endpoint, powered by Wall Street Horizon data, you get a normalized, daily updated source for thousands of tickers all the way back to 2018. It's a flexible subscription that starts at $99 a month, and to demonstrate its capabilities, I built a Streamlit calendar for you to check out. You can find the code for this demo over in Massive's community GitHub repo. I've already cloned it and opened it up in an IDE. I've also created a new env file, and I've pasted in my Massive API key. If I run this simple command, the calendar will open up in a new window. So by default, I have several tickers here automatically populating the tickers field. You can add in any tickers that you're interested in. It also automatically selects the earnings announcements, since we're talking about earnings today. But you can select any of the event types that we offer as a filter in the API. For example, dividends, or maybe you're interested in conferences that a particular company is going to attend. You can filter by status, so like whether something's canceled, confirmed, postponed. Below this, you can select dates. With the date filters, you can go all the way back to 2018. I'm just going to go for the next 90 days. If I click load events, it will load any event for these particular tickers and these event types in the next 90 days. If we scroll down, we can see on the 22nd, we have INTC. On the 28th, we're listing IBM, Microsoft, and Tesla. And even if we go back over to the Q4 earnings calendar that Wall Street Horizon created, looking at the 28th, we can in fact see Microsoft, Tesla, and IBM. What's really cool about this is I can click one of these, and if I scroll down, I can link out to the announcement that the particular company made for their earnings. Going back over to the calendar, I can go to a table view, which lists out any and all of the events it found that match the parameters I set into the API. In order for this demo to work, you will need a Massive API key, as well as a subscription to our TMX corporate events data. And that's it. This is all you need to start deep diving into corporate events. And remember, keep building something massive.